In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix we can't reach our network right now. Please check your connection error on Uber app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are experiencing this error, the first thing you want to check is if Uber services are available in your area or in your country. If they are available and you have been using them, then most likely you might be using a VPN app on your smartphone. Turn it off or uninstall the app to be able to fix this. You also want to ensure that your network connection is stable, as this might be the reason you are encountering this error. Once you have confirmed that these are okay, try and use your Uber app and everything should be working. However, should this still not fix your problem, then go to settings on your smartphone, and from settings look for apps to troubleshoot your Uber app by going to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, check for Uber, tap on it and go to force stop and okay, and go to clear data and clear cache and final okay, and then clear all data. Now here, restart your smartphone, and now if you go back to your Uber app, everything should be up and running without any issue. However, at this point, if you still encounter a challenge, then we need to check if we have any update for Uber app by going to Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone, and here update your app to the latest version. In most cases, now this should fix your problem, but at this point, if nothing works, then most likely Uber might have experienced an internal server error. For that, you need to wait after some few minutes. Try to open your app and log into your account, and your app should be able to load all the rides, or you should be able to use your app without any issue. So let me know which of this was able to solve your issue. If you have any other question, please comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.